It takes me a lot of time to make videos for this channel. You want to know where most of the time goes? Editing. I am starting this video in a very different way because I know most content creators find digging relevant footage extremely difficult. But what if I tell you that for everything I want to say in a video, I have a tool that can generate relevant footage? Yes, to be honest, it just got released, and I haven't used it for commercial purposes yet, but it shows immense promise. It's called Stable Video Diffusion AI. To find out how it does the magic, follow me along. Stability AI has just unveiled the world's best open source masterpiece, Stable Video Diffusion. This AI video model is based on the renowned Stable Diffusion image models and is already vastly outperforming industry giants like Google's Labs and Runway ML. On its core, what it does is turn images into a video. And you know why I find this tool super cool? Because the next time I say something like transhuman, I can treat your eyes with a short footage of a transhuman in a realistic environment. Now, I don't know about others, but I am super excited about how this tool is about to give me a level up. Stability AI has also introduced two distinct image-to-video models, and each of them capable of generating videos with between 14 to 25 frames. These tools also give users the flexibility to customize their frame rates, ranging from a slow and detailed 3 frames per second to a swift and fluid 30 frames per second. I know it is magical. Therefore, I want to tell you how this tool was created. The creation of Stable Video Diffusion was meticulously executed throughout 3 phases, starting with text-to-image pre-training. Next, it was followed by video pre-training, using a comprehensive dataset of low-resolution videos. The final phase saw the model being fine-tuned with a more selective, high-resolution video dataset. This rigorous training process, underpinned by a high-quality video dataset, ensures that Stable Video Diffusion stands out in terms of both efficiency and efficacy. Sadly, developing a cool new AI tool is not enough. These companies have to position themselves in the market, which is why we are going to talk about benchmarks. Now I'm going to directly refer to Stability AI's benchmark studies, which reveal that Stable Video Diffusion is a true market leader. In its comparisons with commercial counterparts like Runway ML and Labs, videos generated by Stable Video Diffusion were higher in terms of visual quality and adherence to prompts. I mean, this is a great plus, because video making is a super situational process, and if the AI cannot understand your prompts well, it will come up with oranges when you are asking for mangoes, which gets very, very frustrating. But here is a twist in this dreamy tale. This achievement is not the endpoint, because while Stability AI's model currently leads among available commercial models, it still faces stiff competition from Meta AI's new EMU video, which has also shown some impressive results. But it's important to mention that EMU video is currently limited to research and development purposes only. If we talk about the company, Stability AI's vision is to build a robust, foundational model for video generation. To achieve their vision, their researchers have proposed innovative methods for curating vast amounts of video data, aiming to transform cluttered video collections into refined datasets suitable for AI training. This methodology is designed to streamline the process of developing generative video models, setting the stage for more advanced and efficient video creation tools. Stability AI also envisions the Stable Video Diffusion model as a versatile foundation for various downstream tasks. Now, what do I mean by downstream tasks? Well, such tasks include multi-view synthesis from a single image, extending to multi-view datasets with fine-tuning. The company is committed to developing an ecosystem of models that build upon this foundational technology, akin to its successful strategy with Stable Diffusion. This functionality, however, is not officially public. It is currently available as a research resource on GitHub, and the company is still keen on gathering insights and feedback regarding safety and quality. You know, not everyone is like Sam Altman. Some people, like the ones at Stability, ensure proper navigation of future concerns before commercializing their products. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my video on the Project Q Star. In my opinion, this cautious approach is important, especially for a company like Stability, which aims to refine the model for its final release, ensuring it meets the high standards set by the company. Plus, it's important to note that this version is not intended for real-world or commercial use. But once it has been fully released, like its predecessor Stable Diffusion, the model will be freely available to the public as an open-source alternative to AI video generation. The work Stability is pulling off in the domain of AI video generation is simply bonkers, but that is not all that they are doing. They are simultaneously making strides in other domains too. For instance, they've recently released open-source models for 3D generation, audio generation, and text generation using their large language model architecture, with these developments being a testament to the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of open-source AI implementations overall. Throughout this video, I talked about how this is going to be a super useful tool for me. But why is this tool important for other people? Well, because it opens up new avenues in advertising, education, and entertainment, with these new tools providing users with intuitive and practical applications to use the technology for free. Stable Video Diffusion has also been integrated into Comfy UI, which is the user-friendly graphical interface. This means everyone with basic know-how can now possess the power of creating content. The Comfy UI's graph and node interface facilitate the creation of complex workflows, offering an intuitive and efficient way to leverage the capabilities of Stable Video Diffusion. This update makes it possible for users to generate high-resolution videos at 1024 by 576 pixel resolution at a length of 25 frames, even on older hardware like NVIDIA's GTX 1080 GPU. But the update's compatibility extends beyond NVIDIA GPUs to access other platforms too, with AMD users also being able to harness the power of Stable Video Diffusion on an AMD 6800 XT running Linux, for instance. The ability to create a video in approximately 3 minutes showcases the efficiency and accessibility of SVD, making advanced video generation achievable for budget-constrained settings. Finally, to further assist users, the developers have published 2 sample workflows for Stable Video Diffusion in Comfy UI, catering to both the 14-frame and 25-frame models, with these samples serving as guidelines and inspiration to help users explore the full potential of the tool while encouraging creative experimentation. What Stability has achieved is insane, but they are not alone. To pose direct competition, Meta API Research and its collaborative team from several Chinese universities have unveiled MetaDreamer, an advanced tool poised to transform the creation of 3D models from text descriptions. MetaDreamer stands out as the fastest system to date in this domain, marking a significant leap in the field of AI-driven 3D modeling. Well, this might not be directly linked to the video making process, but it can surely spice things up in your next blockbuster documentary. It operates through a novel 2-stage process that addresses common issues in 3D model generation. The initial geometry phase focuses on shaping the 3D object to ensure its accuracy from various angles. Following this, the texture phase adds detailed textures, enhancing the model's realism. This bifurcated approach ensures the models are both geometrically sound and visually appealing. The tool's efficiency is remarkable, with MetaDreamer being able to generate detailed 3D objects from text descriptions in just 20 minutes, utilizing the power of a single NVIDIA A100 GPU. This speed is unmatched in the field. MetaDreamer's capabilities were rigorously tested against existing text-to-3D models like DreamFusion and Magic 3D. The results were clear. MetaDreamer excelled in speed, quality, and its ability to closely match text descriptions. This tool also secured the highest score in the 3 benchmarks, further cementing its position as a leading tool in 3D model generation. But again, like every other tool I have discussed on this channel, this tool has a lot of limitations. Currently, the tool faces challenges in creating scenes with multiple objects, a hurdle the team is actively working to overcome. Future improvements aim to enhance the model's understanding of object interactions in 3D space, promising even more sophisticated and intricate model generation. Subscribe to Innovella for more blues from the world of AI. There are rumors that Sam Altman was fired because he was working on some kind of an AGI. I simply cannot claim to be sure that this was the reason, but still, he was working on something super powerful. It is called the Project Q Star. To find out what it is, click on the video links popping up.